Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you Capital One VentureOne credit card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start earning real travel rewards but absolutely hate the idea of paying a hefty annual fee just to keep a card in your wallet, well, the Capital One VentureOne Rewards credit card is a fantastic option to look at. Now think of it as a low-risk, beginner-friendly entry ticket to the points and miles world because it carries a flat $0 annual fee, so you can let it sit in your wallet completely stress-free without ever worrying about whether you are traveling enough to justify its cost. Now, the absolute best part about this card here is the feature that makes it widely unique for a completely free card is that it gives you a full access to Capital One's network of over 15 travel and airlines transfer partners. Now, usually credit card companies force you to buy into their premium high fee cards to transfer your points to airlines like British Airways, Turkish Airlines, or Avianca. But the Venture One here lets you pull off that exact same high value trick for free. Now, to make things even sweeter here, they hand you a really achievable welcome offer of 20,000 bonus miles after you spend just around like $500 in your first 3 months, which really hands you $200 towards your next vacation. Now, for your everyday spending here, you earn a completely unlimited 1.25 miles per dollar on everything you buy. Now, alongside a massive 5 times mile on hotels and rental cars here, that you book directly through the Capital One travel portal. So they even pack in a 0% introductory interest rate on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. And they completely waived foreign transactions fees, making it perfect wallet-friendly sidekick to take with you on international trips. Now, just to give you some a brief heads up here on the trade-offs though, because it doesn't cost anything to hold, its baseline earning rate of 1.25 miles per dollar is slightly lower than the standard venture card, which gives you 2 miles per dollar for a $99 fee. Now, it also skips out on luxury travel perks like airport lounge access or credits for TSA pre-check. Now, ultimately, if you want a simple, straightforward card that lets you dip your toes into the travel rewards game, you earn valuable miles on autopilot, and explore airlines transfer partners here without ever paying a single penny in annual fees, well, the Venture One is absolutely worth it and serves as a brilliant baseline for your travel strategy. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.